When you start looking for a new job, your first instinct is to reach out to your inner circle, family, close friends, and longtime colleagues. But there is a structural limitation to this approach. These people are often the least likely to provide you with a new lead. In 1973, Stanford sociologist Mark Granovetter published this research. He discovered that professionals find the majority of high-quality jobs through casual acquaintances rather than their closest friends. Granovetter called close friends strong ties. You interact constantly, making your information redundant, a closed loop of shared job postings. Weak ties are on the periphery, former coworkers or acquaintances. They occupy professional environments you don't typically visit. This diagram shows the concept of a network bridge. The dotted lines are the only paths connecting isolated social clusters. These distant acquaintances are the primary gateway to the hidden job market and new professional circles. Engaging with weak ties provides a pathway to opportunities that exist entirely outside your own social circle. To begin your outreach, go through your contact list or LinkedIn connections. Look specifically for acquaintances who work in your target industry. Categorize these contacts and build a list of 20 to 30 specific people you intend to message. Once your list is ready, do not contact your top prospect first. Instead, start with the person at number 10. Networking is a skill that requires practice. Starting with a lower stakes contact allows you to refine your pitch and gain confidence before you approach a high-value target at your dream company. When you reach out to a weak tie, avoid the mistake of leading with a request for a job or a formal referral. Use the warm door approach. Ask for low-stakes information or advice that is easy for the recipient to share. Re-establish the connection in a single, simple sentence. If you worked together years ago, briefly mention the project so they have immediate context. Asking for insight, like their take on the team culture, lowers the social friction. This low-pressure start often encourages the contact to offer a referral on their own. By removing the transactional pressure, you make it easier for a dormant contact to provide internal information or help. If your contact offers to pass along your resume, send them a forwardable package. This ensures you have done almost all the work for them. First, include the exact job link and the requisition number. Second, provide a 2-sentence summary of why you are a fit for the role. This should be written so they can copy and paste it into an email to their recruiter. Third, attach a resume that is optimized for applicant tracking systems. Finally, include an explicit easy out. Acknowledge that they may not be comfortable referring someone they haven't worked with closely. This package shifts the contact's task from evaluating your background to simply hitting forward, making a successful referral much more likely. Once you have sent the package, wait 5 to 7 business days before taking any further action. If you hear nothing, send exactly one short, polite nudge to see if the email was received. Avoid multiple follow-ups. A weak tie is often just busy, and excessive pestering will stop the conversation entirely. By mapping your distant network and reducing the friction of the ask, you have turned a near stranger into a direct link to your next role. There's a lot more to help you at JobSearch.community. Become an insider and get coaching from Jeff Altman, as well as video courses, books, and guides to help you. Or you can purchase individual products and services a la carte. We want to help. If you like the video, share it, leave a comment, click the like button, follow the channel. It will help other people if you do.